This is a problem based on mensuration. Here, at a birthday party, Miss Seberg was wearing a hollow conical hat having radius 2 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. So, this is the cap which is in the shape of cone with height 6 centimeter and base radius 2 centimeter. The boy took the hat off his head and forced it into the cake such that the cake rose uniformly up to 2 centimeter inside the hat, which means cake rises to the height of 2 centimeter. And we have to find the volume of the cake that is inside the cone. So basically we have to find the volume of frustum EFCB, and this is equal to the volume of cone ABC minus volume of cone AEF. The volume of cone ABC is 1 by 3 2 square into 6 minus volume of cone AEF, which is 1 by 3 pi. Radius of this is not known and it can be calculated by observing the similarity of triangle ADC with AGF. As these two triangles are similar, so the ratio of their corresponding sides will also be the same, which means 6 by 4 will be equal to 2 by GF. From here the radius of the cone AEF will be 4 by 3, hence the required area will be 1 by 3 pi 2 square minus into 6 minus 1 by 3 pi 4 by 3 square into 4, and this is equal to 152 upon 27 pi centimeter cube. Therefore option B is the correct answer.